Welcome back to CodeLab. In this video, we'll dive into the HTML fundamentals, where we'll learn how to create the structure and content for web pages. Understanding HTML is essential as it forms the foundation of every web page. HTML fundamentals: creating structure and content for web pages. HTML, or Hypertext Markup Language, allows us to define the structure and content of a web page. It consists of various tags that give meaning to the content and help browsers render it correctly. Let's start by setting up the basic structure of an HTML document. Every HTML page should have the doc type declaration, followed by the HTML, head, and body tags. Within the body tag, we can add headings using H1 to H6 tags, where H1 represents the highest level of heading, and H6 represents the lowest. We can also add paragraphs using the P tag. Paragraphs allow us to organize and present textual content on our web page. To include images, we use the img tag. This tag requires the src attribute, which specifies the path to the image file. For creating links, we use the a tag. By setting the href attribute, we can define the URL or the destination of the link. Lists provide an organized way to present information. We have two types of lists in HTML: ordered lists using OL and unordered lists using UL. List items are denoted by the li tag. Tables are useful for displaying tabular data. We use the table tag along with its related tags such as tr for table rows, th for table headers, and td for table cells. Divs and spans are versatile container elements. The div tag represents a block-level container, while the span tag represents an inline container. They are commonly used for styling and grouping elements. Forms allow users to input data. We use the form tag to create a form, and within it we can include various input elements like text fields, checkboxes, radio buttons, and more, using the input tag. HTML5 introduces a set of semantic tags that provide more meaning to the structure of a web page. These include header, nav, main, section, article, aside, and footer. They enhance accessibility and search engine optimization. We've just scratched the surface of HTML fundamentals, but you now have a solid understanding of how to create the structure and content for web pages using HTML. Now that you've learned the basics, why not experiment with different tags and start building your own web page? And here's some good news. We've got a free online compiler ready for you. You can test and run your code directly in your browser. Just click the link in the video description to start using it. In our next lesson, we're going to explore the fundamentals of CSS, helping you add some style to your web pages. Thanks for watching, and make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell. Join our ever-growing community of passionate learners.